Hello friends, now we will start batteries. In previous lecture we are also completed difference between primary battery and secondary battery. Now briefly studied in primary battery and secondary battery. That's why here topic is batteries. Now batteries means chargeable, means we can use second time and we can not use useless. This type of two cell or battery are present, known as primary battery and secondary battery, divided into two types. Primary batteries and second one is secondary batteries. Primary battery means what? Means we cannot use second time. That's why here shortly I will write cannot use second time. Now here we can use second time, means this one is chargeable. That's why chargeable or can use second time. Now this primary battery divided into two types, Lackland cell and second one is mercury cell. Lackland cell and second one is mercury cell. This one indicated primary. Now secondary divided into two types, secondary battery divided into two types. First one is lead storage battery and second one is nickel cadmium battery. Nickel cadmium battery. This one indicated subtopics or subtypes of primary and secondary. Now we will start primary battery. Subtopic is Lackland cell, second one is mercury cell. And here you know this one is a cannot reused or not chargeable, means one time use, this type of cell. Maybe you know which type of cell, like transistor cell and second one is clock cell. This one indicated useless or cannot be, we can charge. That's why this one indicated primary battery. Now start. First one, Lackland cell. Lackland cell means what? And which one indicated Lackland cell? Then transistor and second one is clock cell. Primary batteries and first topic is Lackland cell. In this cell, first suppose we have this type of one container is present, and this container made up with zinc metal. Suppose this one zinc container, and in this container between them here graphite rod is present. Graphite Second thing, in graphite cell outer side, one paste is present because this one is a very important part in this cell, and this paste made up of which material? Then ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. Second one is carbon black or black carbon. You know, charcoal powder, its color is black, and maybe in your house when cell is useless, then please totally cell open and see between them inner side black coating or black color powder is present, and this one indicated made up of zinc, but in them which one is present? Carbon black. That's why its color is black. Carbon black, known as charcoal powder. Second one is manganese dioxide, MnO2. Next one is zinc chloride, ZnCl2. This all material when present, and between all material when made up one paste, and here this paste filled. Why? Because this one is a very most important part in primary cell or primary battery, and first this one known as Lackland cell. Here suppose attach with one bulb. Clear? Second thing, here cathode works as a upper side part cathode. Why? Because cathode works is reduction, either gaining of electron, and anode works is oxidation. Oxidation means lose of electron. Lower side part indicated anode. Why? Because you know container made up with which metal? Zinc. That's why zinc works as a oxidation, and oxidation means lose of electron. Here anode present, that's why its sign is negative. Please always remember, anode sign is negative, cathode sign is positive. Clear? Now second thing, when you can learn this theory, then first 3-4 point is very most important. Which one? Then see, anode works as a oxidation half fill reaction. Cathode is equal to reduction half reaction. Oxidation means what? Lose of electron. Reduction means what? Gaining of electron. Here in all batteries, input and output, this type of system is present. Input made up with chemically, and second thing, then gives us different output. Here lose of electron and gaining of electron means which one works as a lose of electron and gaining of electron? Then I will tell you, because when you all are when remember this figure, then you cannot mistake in given reaction like anode and cathode, because this one indicated which metal work as a anode and which metal or which material works as a cathode. Here Lackland cell potential cell value is 1.5 volt. Why? Because its potential nearly gives us 1.5 volt. That's why always remember potential cell value of Lackland cell is equal to 1.5 volt. Now start most important reaction, because when this type of theory or question present in your question paper, then please compulsory you all are write this equation or reaction. Why? Because this one is an important part, and out of this reaction gives us easily full marks. That's why first reaction, anode. See here, anode works as a zinc metal. Here I will write one word, loss of electron. That's why compulsory zinc solid. When zinc present in pure form or pure medium, then this one convert into zinc solid to zinc plus 2 ion. Means here this valency indicated loss of how many electron? 2. Why? Because here 2 plus charge is present. That's why loss of 2 electron. This one indicated anode half cell reaction. Now second one is cathode. Cathode works is gaining of electron and always indicated reduction half reaction. And friends, here I will write some material, means ammonium chloride, carbon black or charcoal powder, manganese dioxide, and last one is zinc chloride. Suppose we take, or in this reaction, first cathode works is a manganese dioxide. Then how to we will decide it, this one is a reduced or gaining of electron. Then here manganese has plus 4 oxidation charge. Then how to this plus 4 oxidation charge is present? Then see oxidation state number or oxidation charge, how to calculate it? Then manganese plus 2 in bracket oxygen original valency minus 2 and raised to no charge or no valency present, that's is equal to 0. Then manganese 2 2s are 4, here minus sign is present, that's why minus 4 is equal to 0. Then easily we can decide it, manganese is plus 4 charge. That's why manganese raised to plus 4 oxidation state number. And here works is cathode, means gaining of electron. That's why this plus 4 oxidation state number compulsory convert into plus 3. Then this one indicated gaining of electron. That's why first I will write here manganese. Okay. Then here plus 4, when convert into plus 3, then how to convert? Then when manganese react with this type of ion and convert into or gives us oxidation state number plus 3, then first here OH, you know hydroxide has minus 1 charge. That's why it has been minus 1. When here oxide O when present, then minus 1 and minus 2 gives us minus 3. And when move on right hand side, then convert into plus 3. Clear? Means easily we can decide it, manganese raised to plus 3 oxidation state number, means gaining of electron. Now here hydroxide, how to present and why present? Then here we will use ammonium chloride. In ammonium chloride, ammonium ion has hydrogen is present, and here when we will addition of ammonium ion NH4 plus, then this hydrogen react with manganese dioxide and formation of manganese hydroxide. Clear? That's why one hydrogen move on manganese dioxide side. That's why here this ammonium has plus 1 charge, and how many electron are lost? Then minus 1. Why? Because ammonium plus 1 when convert into ammonia gaseous material. Here totally number of hydrogen 4, and how many when left? Then 3. That's why easily by removal product is ammonia gas. Clear? This one indicated cathode half cell reaction. And friends, maybe in your mind one question is present, and madam zinc chloride we will use, then its works is question marks. Then how to use, friends, here when liberated ammonia gas, then this one is a very combustion, this one is a very fusible gas. That's why here ammonia gas when react with either combined with zinc chloride, then formation of one complex salt, and this one gives us aqueous medium, means ammonia gas easily dissolve in which material, then zinc chloride, and formation or gives us one complex ion, and this one is a aqueous medium. Why? Because both are easily dissolve with each other. That's why formation of ammonium one complex name is zinc. Here 4 times and plus 2 charge, and easily this one gives us aqueous medium. That's why here used zinc chloride material, and its potential cell value 1.5 volt. Please compulsory write in your answer. Second thing, this one used or present or works as a then transistor and clock. Clear? Easily you can read. This one is a very short point, means important point when present in your answer sheet, then you got full marks. That's why important question here. First one is over. Now second one is mercury cell. Mercury cell present in your wristwatch. You know, very small size cell, this one present in your wristwatch, and this one known as mercury cell. Second thing, present in, maybe you can use, okay, your headphones, then in this which cell is present? Mercury cell. Now we will start second cell. Second cell name is mercury cell. Mercury cell means mercury cell, and mercury symbol is Hg. And maybe you all know, and this one present in thermometer. In thermometer downside silver color material, this one indicated mercury. Its original state is semi-liquid. That's why gives us temperature, rising of temperature. Now we will start mercury cell, and mercury cell, this one present in hearing aids, and second one is watches. Okay, second thing, its potential cell value 1.35 volt. This one filled with which material? In Lackland cell, paste of ammonium chloride, zinc chloride, manganese dioxide and carbon black. Then in this cell, which paste is present? Then paste of mercury monoxide. Either we can use material mercury monoxide plus carbon black. Second one is potassium hydroxide, KOH, and second one is zinc monoxide. This one is a paste, potassium hydroxide and zinc monoxide, and mercury monoxide and carbon we can use anode and cathode reaction. Why? Because in Leclanche cell we will use zinc container and zinc works as a anode. Then in this cell, which one works as anode and which one works as a cathode, and losing of electron and gaining of electron. Then we will explain, we will study about this cell. First one is anode. Anode has which reaction? Then mercury. Mercury when react with zinc and formation of zinc mercury amalgam. Why amalgam word used? Because when two metal react with each other, then formation of amalgam. Clear? That's why in anode half cell reaction, here please same in this cell, cathode works as a reduction, and reduction meaning gaining of electron. Anode means oxidation half reaction known as losing of electron. Here first one is anode reaction. Anode reaction, we take first zinc mercury. Zinc mercury, this one is amalgam. When oxidation half reaction occur, then compulsory oxygen present or oxygen react with given metal and formation of oxide compound like zinc monoxide or zinc oxide. Then this oxygen how to present? Then compulsory here when addition of hydroxide ion, and this hydroxide ion coming from this potassium hydroxide. Why? Because it has K plus and OH minus, this type of two ion present, and that's why here when we will use zinc mercury amalgam, then addition of which one ion? Hydroxide ion, easily formation of zinc monoxide. Then here when used 2 moles of hydroxide. Why 2 moles of? Because when one oxygen react with zinc and formation of zinc monoxide, then here 2 hydrogen and 1 oxygen is left. That's why easily removing water molecule H2O liquid. Clear? Here we can easily, so in this reaction zinc convert into zinc monoxide, means oxidation half reaction. Here 2 electron are present, that's why right hand side compulsory 2e minus removing. Now equation is balanced. Now second reaction works as a cathode. Clear? Cathode. In cathode we will use which material or which metal? Then in cathode we will use mercury oxide. Mercury oxide when convert into mercury liquid. Why? Because this one indicated removing of oxygen, that's why compulsory mercury oxide convert into mercury liquid. Then this oxygen how to remove? Then you know how to remove. When here oxygen easily react with hydrogen, means compulsory here present which one? Removing of 2OH minus. Then 2OH minus when removing, then here 2E minus compulsory. Right? Why? Because equation now balance. Right hand side how many electron? Then 2. That's why compulsory addition of left hand side 2E minus. Second thing, here you know mercury liquid how to convert? Because removing of oxygen, that's why this one indicated reduction half reaction, but this hydroxide we can removing, that's why compulsory mercury monoxide addition of when water molecule. In mercury monoxide compulsory which compound or which molecule entering? Then water molecule. Then this one when combined or react with each other, then easily this mercury monoxide means oxygen, this one react with water molecule or dissolve in water molecule and gives us 2 hydroxide ion. Now equation is balanced. Why? Because 2H and this 2O. That's why 2OH minus removing. Now mercury convert into mercury liquid. Right hand side 2 electrons are present. That's why compulsory left hand side 2 electrons are present. Now overall redox reaction of mercury cell. Then see, left hand side 2OH minus is present, then right hand side also 2OH minus is present. Easily cancel out? Yes. Now here right hand side water molecule, here 2E minus, then here 2E minus in water molecule. Easily cancel out. Then gives us one reaction, zinc mercury. Okay, zinc mercury, this one is amalgam. Left hand side which one is present? HgO, mercury oxide. Now between them arrow present. Now right hand side formation of zinc monoxide plus Hg liquid. Clear? This one gives us mercury cell overall reaction. Anode half cell, cathode half cell, and formation of fulfilled or overall complete redox reaction. You can see easily amalgam convert into oxide medium like zinc oxide. Then how to convert? Then you can see this all half cell reaction. Again I will repeat, this one is important theory, that's a compulsory learn and easy way when you can learn this type of. Then when you all are learn books line to line word or theory, then this one is a very tough for you. That's why remember this short point. Now thank you. Now we will meet again in second lecture.